At El Paso Electric, we're on call 24/7 to keep you connected.
Thank you for reporting the outage. Our teams will be en route to restore power.
System Operations is reporting an outage at Substation 12.
Looks like we have a Mylar balloon strike.
Operations to truck 2286. Let's reroute power while repairs are being made.
Looks like the power's out at home, but they're working on it.
Finished here. Power restored on our end.
At El Paso Electric, we're committed to keeping you connected.